the fans were just...
Unbelievable.
They were just something else.
I've never ever experienced anything like it. And I think it puts into perspective like our why and why we're here and what are we doing it for. And I think that's like such a motivator for us as a team, and it has been for such a long time. So it's just so nice to see the impact of like what we're doing and our legacy for women and young girls and for football in Wales going forward. So yeah, it's amazing, isn't it?
And we wanted to take it in. We said that from the start, you know, we wanted to take everything in, and that first game just allowed us to take the anthem in, the fans in, our families being there. And I think now we've played that game, I think the second game will be slightly different for us because we've experienced all that
Yeah,
now.
100%.
But we've always said that we wanted to take that in. You know, it's a historical moment for us all, so
yeah,
it was really important.
Yeah, just honoured to be a part of it.
Yeah. I just feel really excited and like that I was able to, my family was able to experience something like that, and like I was a part of making that happen. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, 100%.
I'm just thankful of all my teammates because I think I woke up with like gratitude on the day. We had like a little gratitude session because I just thought, you know, without your teammates, that doesn't happen. Every single person that you're with right now, like, has helped you have this experience. It's pretty special.
Yeah.